ECOVACS with some exciting announcements here at CES 2026. Now, if you're a friend of the channel, you're going to know that we really dove into the ECOVACS sphere with the robotic lawnmowers, but they're much more than that. They're very well known in the vacuum robotic and vacuum mop space. We're going to get into that a little bit. They have a new technology, which we're going to introduce in just a second as well. But let's kind of go over the differences on what they've decided to do in regards to the robotic lawnmowers. We tested out last year the O1000, the A2500, and the A3000 models. And the biggest announcement I'm noticing for this year is they went completely LiDAR. And the beautiful part about this is you now don't have to set up an antenna in your yard. You can get the charge stations closer to the house, and it makes the user experience a lot easier, in my opinion. So if you're not familiar with LiDAR, it's a light emitting laser that goes through and maps the entire region, tells the robot where it can and cannot go. It's also included with obstacle avoidance, the small little LiDAR sensor, and then we have V-SLAM technology on the cameras on the front. The O1000 is a 9-inch width model. The A2000, the A3000 has a cutting deck of 13 inches, and you're going to notice some major differences between these two models. This has their 32-volt energetic platform. So what that means is you're getting fast charging and you're getting broader range of use for larger lawns. But the real big announcement is this true edge trimmer. And this has got to be one of the coolest things that I've seen with robotic lawn mowing technology here. It actually has a spool of trimmer line on the bottom, and it looks to be about 0.065, 0.067. So you've got two choices when you're using this. You can keep it on, or you can take the attachment off. Now, this is going to take care of all your trimming now. So this is going to end up being a hands-off experience. I'm really excited to get my hands on it. Then you're going to look at the A2000 model. The body is completely different. The biggest difference between the two, this runs at 32-volt energetic platform, has all the bells and whistles on it. What really shocked me, in 2025, the mid model was still an RTK antenna base. The difference between the A2000 and the A3000 at this point is just mappable area. So just as the names would suggest, the O1000 is going to do 1,000 meters squared mappable area. The 2000 is 2,000 meters squared mappable area, and the 3000 is 3,000 meters squared mappable area. But the thing I really love about ECOVACS robotic lawnmowers, I feel like anybody can use them. Now that you don't have to mess with an antenna, it's just one more thing that makes it that much easier. The application is very intuitive. I was very impressed with ECOVACS and the lawnmower robotics. And I would dare say the type of person that's absolutely going to love their environment is just the type of person that doesn't want a lot of hassle. Easy setup. It's also capable of auto mapping. But we were talking a little bit about this before. ECOVACS is much more than just a robotic lawn mowing company. I mean, if you look here, they're even washing windows today. This is the WINBOT W3 OMNI. It's a new WINBOT, and as its name suggests, it's a robot that washes your windows. And the brilliant thing about it is they've got two different sizes. They have this medium sized robot for larger windows, and they have a smaller sized robot for small to medium sized windows.
What sets the WINBOT W3 OMNI apart is what they're calling Vortex Wash, which is an industry first pad cleaning system built into the OMNI station. So after cleaning, you remove the pad plate and drop it into the OMNI station, where a 3-stage cycle cleans, dries, and preps the pads. So no rinsing, wringing, or handling dirt. Pads come out fresh and clean, ready for the next job.
It's very fun to watch. I would say ASMR is probably a 10 plus for me on this one, just to sit there and watch it. So if you need something to do, you get the robot and it passes through. How it works is pretty simple. It's got the main station that's got the water in it that's constantly cleaning and then pushing the water back and forth. And this unit is portable. So it's actually got a handle to it and very easy to set up. You click the button on it to release the suction. You put it back on, push the button to engage the suction, and then the bot does the rest. It maps out the window. And with the ECOVACS applications, there's one thing I've learned about it. They identify problem spots, and they're very good at it too. So if you do have a harder, grimier surface and area, it's going to continually go over that spot until it cleans itself completely. But they also dove into what they're calling LilMilo. This is your emotional support dog. This one kind of cracks me up. He senses your mood. And so if he thinks you're sad, he's gonna come up on you a little bit. If he thinks you're really happy to see him, a lot of times he'll start wagging his little tail. And it's stereo equipped. It has a camera on the front, and the eyes actually move around and look at you too. Not sure if you can hear this or not, but we've got a little whimpering going on, being a little needy with me right now, wanting a little bit more attention than I'm giving him. Let's check out the eyes. It's so cool. And they can kind of feel when you're touching them, and they just react to everything. Super, super cute. They even come in different colors. But I really think what put ECOVACS on the map originally had to be the robotic vacuums.
ECOVACS doubled down on improving its robot vacuum lineup with meaningful tech updates. So the spotlight was really on the DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni and the DEEBOT X12 family, both featuring the new Osmo Roller 3.0 instant self-watching mopping system. So this updated roller, it's about 26 centimeters long and roughly 50% larger than before, and continuously self-cleans during operation for broader, streak-free floor coverage. On the X12 models, infrared stain detectors and high-pressure water jets spray ahead of the roller to break down tougher, dried-on messes before mopping. So these improvements aim to boost deep clean performance and efficiency across hard floors. ECOVACS introduced the DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni with power boost charging. Using GAN, fast charge clean continuously without long recharge breaks. Paired with the Osmo Roller Mop 3.0, it delivers consistent high-pressure cleaning across large homes with no follow-up required.
Biggest difference between the two is how aggressive spills that it can handle and the amount of dirtiness. If you've got messy kids like I do and they spill a bowl of cereal, you can actually put that thing down, it's gonna handle it. Now the T90 is meant for those casual spills. Let's just say you have like 1/8 of a cup of coffee that spills on the ground. It's gonna be a fantastic way to clean it up. But the reliability that you're getting out of these vacuum mops these days has been incredible. And I've been one of those guys who's been using these robotic vacuums for the last 7 to 9 years. Got a pool? Well, ECOVACS has you covered too with their new Ultramarine.
The Ultramarine P1 expands ECOVACS robotics ecosystem beyond the home and into pool care. Powered by ultra-pure suction technology, it moves up to 4,800 gallons per hour through an anti-clog system, capturing everything from leaves to fine debris. Smart navigation guides systematic cleaning across floors, walls, and water lines, while its cordless design and long runtime eliminate reliance on pool pumps or hoses. Built with marine-grade materials and controlled through the ECOVACS app, the Ultramarine P1 transforms pool maintenance into a fully automated experience with no follow-up required.
The one thing I've always been impressed with is the research and development side of ECOVACS. They don't launch products until they're actually ready. So for me, having these 4 scrubbing rolling brushes, having everything look like a finished product ready for consumer is always really impressive. But overall, the direction that ECOVACS has gone to take care of all your needs under one ecosphere has been fantastic. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit me up down in the comments down below. You know I'd love to have you guys out. Till next time, guys, it's Pest and Lawn, did you? We're slaying smart home automation.